In case of a problem set, we are in numerical number 6 and the part is draw a circle of radius 3.4 centimeter. Means first of all we have to draw a circle of radius 3.4 centimeter and take E as a center. So center is E. Take a point F. Now we have to take a point F. On the circle, take another point A such that E dash F dash A and FA is equal to 4.1 centimeter. Draw tangent to a circle from point A. Now as we have read the numerical, step by step we are moving into the conditions over here, and the part is here as per their first condition. What is that? Draw a circle of radius 3.4 centimeter. So I am going to indicate first point where we are going to take a center of a circle which is on your paper and radius is 3.4 centimeter. So here I am going to take a radius of 3.4 centimeter. So radius of circle is 3.4 centimeter. With the help of my rounder method, I am going to draw a circle with radius 3.4 centimeter. And in this way, you can complete your first part of circle. Now as we have drawn a circle of radius 3.4 centimeter and center E. So we are giving the center name as E over here. Now we have drawn a circle with center E. As for their next condition, take a point F on the circle. Means we have to take a point F on a circle. Take another point A such that E dash F dash A and FA is equal to 4.1 centimeter. So first I am going to take a point F over here and the part is F is a point on a circumference of a circle. So I have drawn a line, nothing but the radius of a circle, and this point will be my F over here. Now the next part is they have given a condition E dash F dash A means A is next to F. So again I am going to extend this line and the part is again I am going to extend this line over here and A is somewhere over here and F to A is 4.1. So F to A is 4.1. Means again we have to take a distance 4.1 over here and the part is here I have to take a distance 4.1 over here and the part is so the distance from F to A this distance is 4.1. So I am indicating over here F to A, that is 4.1. Now moving to the part over here next, and the part is E is over here, F is over here, A is over here, and all three are collinear where radius E to F is as per their condition 3.4 centimeter and F to A this distance is 4.1 centimeter. Draw tangent to a circle from point A. Means we have to draw a tangent to a circle from point A. In this case, first of all we have to draw a perpendicular bisector on EA, and the process is when you want to draw a perpendicular bisector, in this case E and A considering as an end point, you have to draw a perpendicular bisector on it. In that case, take a distance more than that of the radius. Take a distance more than that of a radius starting point from E. Starting from point E, and we have to make two marks. Here one mark is at upstairs and second mark is at downstairs. Now definitely these marks are larger in size. Definitely these marks are larger in size, and that is part taken into consideration. Here keeping the distance same what you take over here. Keeping the distance same what you kept over here. Now you have to make a second mark from point A over here. So we are going to take a part mark from here, and the part is here I am going to make first mark over here and second mark over here, and in this way the marking is going to get completed. When you make one mark at upstairs and second mark at downstairs, we have to draw a simple line passing from these 2 points. Here the respective line is now this F point is going to get disturbed. So I am going to shift this F to some side and apart. First of all I am going to complete the line, and now I am going to write this point F inside the circle over here because this point is on circumference of circle. In this way, you are able to get new point. Remember, F is a point on circumference of circle as well as it is a radius. But as it is a disturbing this line, so I have taken F over here, and this is nothing but a point over here. Now what is this point? This point, which is formed by this black line and blue line intersection, it is actually a midpoint of EA. I repeat, it is a midpoint of EA. Now you are able to get one center over here. Now I am going to call this point, which is newly formed, indicating it as a M. Remember, student, I am using blue marker and black marker so that you can easily understand step by step numerical. But in your notebook, you are going to draw entire diagram by simple black pencil. Now, as we are able to get the value M over here in terms of a point, you can take a radius either M to A, or you can take a radius M to E, because M is actually midpoint of E as well as A. Now, we have to take the radial distance over here, and you have to keep the radius from either M to A or M to E, and the part is here you have to take the radius from M to A or M to E, and in that way you are going to start your part in terms of radius. Now taking a radius from M to A or M to E, here the part is. First cross check whether it is passes from both the points or not. In that case you have to make proper adjustment, and the part is. Your radius will be like this. Now, taking M as a center, we have drawn a circle which is passes from point A as well as point E, and it is going to form new points over here. And this is nothing but a 2 point of intersections over here. I am going to call this point as the part as C and D over here, and by this way we are able to get the two new points C and D over here. Now as we are able to get the value C and D are the 2 points, I am going to join this line A with C, as well as I am able to draw another line over here, and that is nothing but A with D. And in this way your two parts of tangents get completed. Remember, tangent AC is congruent to tangent AD. Therefore, tangent AC is congruent to tangent AD. And in this way you are going to complete your construction. Hello friends, already in the last lecture we have completed a topic construction up to numerical number 6, and now moving to numerical number 7, and the part is. Here the numerical is triangle ABC similar to triangle LBN. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle LBN, and here B and B, I have make a mark over there. B and B is a common point over there, means in both the triangle point B is common. In triangle ABC, AB is 5.1 centimeter, angle B is 40 degree, and BC is equal to 4.8 centimeter. Means definitely we can draw triangle ABC. Next, AC is to LN. AC is to LN is 4:7. AC is to LN is 4:7. Construct triangle ABC and triangle LBN. So one by one, first part, I am going to write as triangle ABC is similar to triangle LBN. As triangle ABC similar to triangle LBN, we can say that AB upon BC, AB upon BC is equal to BC upon BN is equal to BC upon BN is equal to AC upon LN is equal to AC upon LN, and that is equal to, we know that AC upon LN, that is 4:7. Now as AC is to LN is 4:7, it also indicates that BC upon BN is also 4:7 and AB upon BC is also 4:7. Now starting to the part of construction, and the part is remember your B point is a common. So I'm going to take initial point over there as a B. Now first you have to draw horizontal base as per a condition and draw it some larger extent so that you can have a proper marking over there. Now we know that angle B is 40 degree. Angle B is 40 degree. So I'm going to take the angular position of B. Remember, angle B is 40 degree. So the part is here angular position 10, 20, 30, 40. So angle B position is 40 degree. Indicating that part in a diagram, I am going to draw one ray. And again, please draw it up to larger extent. And in this way, your first part is going to get completed. So first of all, we are drawn angle B as 40 degree. This is your first step. Now second part, as per dimension value, they have given BC as 4.8 and AB as 5.1. So making that marking first for BC. Now BC is 4.8. So 4.8, taking a distance in a rounder equal to 4.8 and making a marking over here. So from this part I am able to get the first value of C over here, and this C from B is 4.8. Next, from A to B is 5.1. So again taking that distance in a rounder 5.1. So I am going to take a distance 5.1, and the part is from B to A, this distance is 5.1 centimeter. Remember, I am not going to indicate BC over here because I have to make construction to the next part. Now moving to the evaluation, and the part is here from point B you can take an angle like 10 degree, 15 degree or any random angle. Generally 15 to 20 is ideal for all the part. Here I am going to draw one line which makes an angle of tentatively 15 to 20 degree. And the part is, in this way we have drawn one angular line over here, and your main construction will be start from here. From B you have to make 4:7, means up to 7 mark, and in this case in a rounder I am going to take a scale measurement of 1 centimeter and now measuring that part over here. So I am going to take a distance in case of a rounder equal to 1 centimeter. So the part is taking a distance of 1 centimeter, and the part will be here starting from point B on that extended line. Here first mark, second mark, third mark, fourth mark, fifth mark, sixth mark and seventh mark. In this way your 7 marking is get completed over here. Remember, in that case there are two main marking which is the most important. Which one? 4th and 7th, because our ratio is 4:7. So as this is a point B, I am going to indicate this point as B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6 and B7. In that case basically 4th and 7th is the most important mark. Now as you have already completed the structure of triangle ABC over here, as you have already completed your triangle ABC over here, now this line is going to help you in this next portion. How? Pay attention. Here you know that if BC is 4 times, BC is 4 times, then BN is 7 times. Taking the help of that, and the part is you have to join 4th mark with C, and that joining will be like this. In some school it is explained that you have to draw it by dotted. In some school they are going to give idea about continuous line. Both the way it is clear. Now keeping the parallel line over here, you have to make 5th marking from over here in a dotted position, such that this line is parallel to this line. Again extending a portion, and again you have to draw next line passing from B6. So this is your next 6th position. Again keeping the scale parallel and moving up to 7th position, and the parallel line remain as it is. Remember, I have drawn 5th and 6th only for your support, Just you have to keep this parallel line in proper sequence, and now you are able to get one point, and this point is nothing but BC is to BN, that is 4:7, means you are able to get the point over here, and that is nothing but N. Remember, these are lines are not actual part of a diagram, so you can have over there. But next, AC is to LN 4:7. So if AC is 4 times, then LN is 7 times. In this step, you have to take proper scale and drag it in parallel manner. Keep your scale on AC either with the help of set square or with the help of simple scale by proper practice. Keep scale AC over here, drag it up to larger extent and reach up to point N, and join that N with uppermost part. And in this way, your next point, that is AC is to LN, and you are able to get the point L over here. And in this way, your second triangle, that is LBN is ready. Remember, our main two target is first triangle ABC, where AB is 5.1, angle B is 40 degree, and BC is 4.8. And next LBN, which is 4:7 with your original triangle ABC. In this way, you have to complete your construction. Hello friends, continuation with the last numerical, and the part is, this is the last numerical of construction that we are going to solve over here, and the part is here, the part question number 8 and problem set last numerical. Construct triangle PYQ such that PY is equal to 6.3 centimeter, YQ is equal to 7.2 centimeter, PQ is equal to 5.8 centimeter. If YZ is to YQ, is construct triangle XYZ similar to triangle PYQ. In this case, they have already given some of the data of PY, YQ and PQ, means they have given all the values of triangle PYQ over here. In this case, as triangle XYZ is similar to PYQ and they have given the ratio of YZ is to YQ, so the first step, remember, in both the triangle XYZ, Y is a common point, PYQ, Y is the common point, means Y is available in both the triangle. So first we are writing the ratio in terms of similarity, and as per their condition, as triangle XYZ is similar to triangle PYQ, we are going to write the ratio of similarity. So it become XY upon PY, therefore XY upon PY is equal to YZ upon YQ, YZ upon YQ is equal to XZ upon PQ, XZ upon PQ, and this value they have given, YZ is to YQ, YZ is to YQ is 6:5. This value they have given 6:5. So remember it, not only YZ is to YQ is 6:5, automatically XY is to PY is also become 6/5, and XZ upon PQ is also become 6/5. Now this ratio itself indicate that XYZ is 6 times. If XYZ is 6 times, then PYQ is 5 times. Means you can say simply PYQ is smaller in size, or you can say XYZ is comparatively larger in size. So starting from the data of given value of PY, YQ and PQ over here. So one by one part in terms of structure is. Now here you have to identify the base and part. First of all, I am going to identify the first point, which is a main diagram point, and that is nothing but Y. Now in triangle, let us say PYQ. I have to first YQ as a base. So I am going to draw a horizontal line over here and draw it up to some larger extent. Now we know that PYQ then here y to q is 7.2 centimeter. So taking that distance over here 7.2, so that we can get a point over there. So from y to q, here the part is 7.2 centimeter and the part is here y to q is 7.2. So y to q is 7.2. This is your first step that you are supposed to write in a proper manner. Second, you are able to get the y and q, that is nothing but 7.2 centimeter. So the next valuation, our target is p. Py is 6.3. So again in a rounder with the reference of point y, I am going to take a distance of 6.3 centimeter. So again as per the measurement scale, here the distance is 6.3. So taking from point y, this distance is, first arc I am going to draw over here. Now till this point you don't know exactly position of p. So next part is p to q is 5.8. So p to q is 5.8. So taking the distance 5.8 over here. So distance is 5.8. And taking from the reference of q, the part is, here you are able to get the point P in case of a diagram part. And now join with P to Y and P with Q, and your diagram is going to get completed. So here first part P to Y and P to Q is get completed. In this way your first triangle which containing YQ 7.2, YQ 7.2, PY 6.3, PY 6.3 and PQ 5.8, PQ 5.8 is get completed. Now remember PYQ, that part is get completed. So PYQ is 5 times, then your XYZ is 6 times. For that part, extend this line, somehow extended portion outside the diagram, so that you can get the symmetric position. Now when your YQ is 5 times, when YQ is 5 times, then YZ is 6 times. YZ is 6 times. Means in this process you have to make a construction starting from this point. Here you have to take an angle like 10 degree, 15 degree or any random angle over here, and I am going to draw one line over here. So the line is, remember Y is your common point, so you are starting from that part Y point and the angular line over here. Now in a scale, take a distance of either 1 or 1.5 in your rounder and your next construction is going to get started. Here I am going to take a distance 1.5 centimeter. So marking point is, so you are making marking 1 by 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Why 6 times? Because your ratio is 5:6 in this part. As it is started from point Y, I am going to indicate this as Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5 and Y6. Remember, your 5th and 6th position is most important. As YQ is 5 times. So I am going to join it. So you have to join Y5 with Q. So joining portion is like this. If it get connected with 5th point, then your YZ is 6 times. Just you have to keep scale properly over here. Drag it in horizontal manner such that you can get a parallel line and draw a next line over here. And this is a new point which is available over here, and that point is nothing but point Z. Remember carefully, this is a Q, it is a Z. Write it in a proper manner, and the part is, this is a point Z over here. After this point Z, you have to make another line which is exactly parallel to PQ. Keep your scale over here, drag it in outward direction, and you have to draw one line parallel to PQ. You have to draw a line parallel to PQ from here which must touches at Z. So the scale calibration is here. Keep this scale, drag in outward direction and draw your respective scale where point Z is your ending point, and this triangle PYQ as well as this new point is available. XYZ is ready and PYQ is 5 times, or you can say YQ is 5 times, then YZ or triangle XYZ is 6 times, and in this way your triangle PYQ and triangle XYZ is completed. Remember, this 5.8 is the distance of your side PQ. So this is your 5.8, and in this way your diagram is get completed. Student, during drawing such a diagram, take a precautions that your Q to Y5 and Z to Y6, this line must be proper. If you are making any simple mistake, automatically this XZ proportionate will be wrong. So take care during drawing such a diagram. Up till this part, thank you.